Good afternoon from Okinawa, Japan of Okisubi. Today we're replacing the little cubby door on the JDM model Subarus. I think on the USDM models they're airbags normally, but we're replacing the cubby today. Super simple, only takes 2 tools to do it. These are the 2 tools that I use. Just a stubby Phillips and then a flathead screwdriver that's got a pretty small end on it. We'll only use this once, and that's for those little clips. Everything else will be the screwdriver, the Phillips screwdriver. Pretty straightforward. You want to remove all of these screws here, including this one here, and then the 2 clips. So it's actually really simple to do these clips here too. You just need to use a flathead screwdriver and not be scared. So you're not really worried about scratching this simply because it's not going to be seen by anybody. It's at the back of a cubby in the dark, and so you just take your flathead screwdriver, slide it underneath the clip, and kind of pry up. You want to work the little ears off, and just like that, it frees it. And you'll do the same for the other side. Once you remove those 2 clips and all those screws as mentioned, it'll completely come off like this and reveal 2 more screws right here, 1 and 2. You take those out and then it'll free the actual door for the cubby. All right, so once those screws are removed, they're right here when the cubby's actually installed. They're right here, that's why you need that short stubby screwdriver. Once those are removed, you'll be able to take it out of the bracket, like that right there. And so if you look, you can see these little nipples right beside the screws, the screw holes, and you got these right here, right, the ones that had the clips on them. That all slides in here. So when you put the new one on, you want to line up the ones that had the clips here, and then the nipple right beside the screw. Make sure it's all in there before you start trying to put screws into it, or you could break something. All right, so all the screws are in now on the bottom. Last tip for putting these on is you simply put it on with your finger, okay? You hold one side, you can see how it's kind of like catty-cornered like that, and then you use the flathead screwdriver to push on the other side with some force. These little teeth will catch onto that plastic, and then you work your way around with the flathead screwdriver, and it'll put it all the way on. So that's what it looked like before, and then this is the after. Yay. Right, so with the new one installed, we're done with that job. But we're gonna move on to the radio next. We're gonna show you guys how to pull your radio out, replace your radio, do shifter bushings on the inside. We're just gonna try and concentrate on the GC8 interiors, pulling them apart and how to service these things. All right, thanks for watching.